Sephora sale. Let me know, do you shop at Sephora or do you shop at Ulta more often? Hey y'all, welcome back to Rock Natural. It is your weekly beauty reporter here, reporting live. I'm coming to you today to show you some items that I got from Sephora. And this is actually before the Sephora sale is happening, but I wanted to share with you these items so that you know what to get when you go shop for the sale. If you've been watching me for a while, you know I'm more of a Ulta girl. Check out this video here. I usually purchase all my majority of my beauty products from Ulta, and so that's usually my go-to. But last weekend I was at the mall and I stopped by Sephora. I already knew what I was going in there to get, and I'm also semi-familiar with most of their items just because I am a makeup artist and I follow tons of makeup artists, and they always post the products that they get. And you've also seen me purchase items from Sephora online. Anyway, so Ulta does not have Charlotte Tilbury, and most of the time the only time you can find Charlotte Tilbury is through the mall at a kiosk or in Sephora. And I got two, which means I can put one in my kit and use one for myself. I've been wanting to try this setting spray, and this duo was only like 30 bucks, which is a really good deal. The thing about this setting spray is that it's a party all night, stay all day. She just has really good quality products. The only other product I have from her is a highlight, which y'all know I love. The next product, which is not really new, but it was time for me to restock, is I restocked on this bad boy. It's been so long since I've used Fenty Gloss Bomb. I've purchased this for myself, but I'm also considering adding it to my kit for my clients for the future. But if I do need a glossy look for my clients currently, then I'm using some MAC gloss that I have. But I'm super excited to add this back to my lip regimen, because you just be feeling yourself when you be putting it on. Let me put. So this is what I'll be keeping in my bag, and if you see me, don't say nothing. Products. I didn't realize how affordable it actually was. So the Ordinary line, I've already started using this, but this glycolic acid toning solution, been wanting to try this, so I went and bought it, and I got the big bottle because, like I said, I did not realize how affordable it was. This I use on areas like my face, my neck, my underarms, any other areas that are dark, to tone them out. Toner is good for tons of reasons, just especially depending on the type of toner it is. So this one is really going to help with any like hyperpigmentation on my face, my neck, my underarms. A serum. I've recently added more serums to my skincare regimen, and if you follow me on Instagram, then you've seen multiple reels where I show my different skincare routines. And so this helps with hydration, fine lines, wrinkles, dynamic lines, and textural irregularities. I honestly have really good skin, and so anytime I purchase these type of products, it's just to enhance what I already have, which y'all know that's my motto. The last thing I got is this salicylic acid, which I'm super excited about. And like I said, if you've been following me a while, then you know that I mask my hair all the time, and anytime I'm taking a bath, I like to mask my skin just to give it a little extra oomph. So that's what I'll be using this mask for. Super excited about that. All the Ordinary products are actually really affordable, and so I'm just like in awe with how affordable all those products was. The Sephora sale is happening starting the 5th, so by the time you see this, I will also be doing a reel showing some hair care products that you should also purchase as well. As always, if you like videos like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're following my skincare journey. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you picked up a product from Sephora. Check out these 2 videos here to keep your skin